All right, I have a good news for you. Oracle is providing free AI certification that is valid from November 17 to January 17. And the most AI certification, the famous ones are included like AI Foundations Associate, Vector AI Vector Search Professional, OCI Generative AI Professional, and even OCI Data Science Professional 2025. So if you read here the program rules and frequently asked questions, you'll get the same thing. The Oracle Partner AI Promotion 2025. So your company got to be a partner in order to avail these certification during the free time. So please have a look at this entire frequently asked questions and the also the official rules, right? No purchase is required. It's completely because it will be free. So what you got to do, once you see this page, you need to create your Oracle account, right? Once you create your Oracle account, it will be asking for you to activate it. So you will get the activate button if you look here, right? So that's what I'll be doing now. So I'll be clicking on the sign in. I'll be following these 3 steps, right? So let me go to the account. So let me click on sign in to my account. So here we go. If you're new to Oracle, then you need to create an account. Since I already have an account, I need to enter the email. Please make sure the email which you'll be using, your company should be a partner. Otherwise, you won't be able to avail this benefit. So this is an important step. Please do not skip this video. Otherwise, you'll face trouble whatever I'm saying, and you'll say in the comment section that it's not working for me. So please follow entire steps and please listen to my instructions. So let me put the email and I'll click on next and provide the MFA and all, right? Let's do it. Let me enter the password now. All right, as soon as you sign in and use the two-factor authentication, which Oracle will force, like enforce nowadays. So you got to click on the activate button. Let's click on the activate button and it says you're successfully activated. Next, you got to enter your area of like interest and all. I'll skip for now. All right, in order to double check whether it's active or not, you'll be getting 2 exam credits in the exam wallet. So where is exam wallet? I'll click on the profile here. Now I'll click on my exam wallet. Let's click here. Now here in the wallet, if you look, you'll be seeing this AI promotion exam attempt. This will be active. If you scroll down, it should be visible to you. So now we can straight away schedule the exams as well. So let's go back. So here if you look, so we have the fundamental exams, foundation exams are I'll not go for. I'll go for like some professional certifications like maybe data science professional. Let's choose it. So once you have gone through the course materials and all, theory, hands-on and everything, once you're ready, you got to click on the online certification exam. Click on the register now here. Let's click on schedule your exam. All right, next you got to select the date and time zone, whatever you are comfortable. Let's click on save and continue. Now if you look here, we got the apply your exam attempt. You'll be getting this button. It says expiry on 18 January 2026. So it will help us in the free exam attempt or the free certification attempt. Let's click here and let's click on save and continue. Once you verify your name and phone number, please next step is to confirm the exam check. I have completed the exam check. Save and continue. And last thing is, yes, I agree to terms and conditions. You got to read this entire page and select here, and next you'll be getting the scheduler exam. Once you schedule your exam, you're at the proposed date and time whatever you have chosen, you can avail the certification absolutely for free. So please do share this video with your friends and colleagues who are into like the Oracle partners, so they can avail AI or artificial intelligence certification absolutely free, which is like the industry standard. Thank you so much for watching. Instagram @ Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video with your colleagues or friends so that they can also utilize the training program provided by NVIDIA.